type of bond funds do we buy for our clients? We buy bonds for specific purposes. The funds that we buy are short and intermediate term, investment grade, and in tax qualified accounts, global funds. In taxable accounts, we'll often buy short and intermediate term investment grade municipal bonds. But we buy the bonds that we do, which is high quality and shorter duration bonds, because those are the bonds that people look to buy when the stock market is doing poorly and people are afraid to buy stocks. So when you hear of the so-called flight to quality, which is when people get nervous about stocks and start buying treasuries and high quality munis, those are the bonds we buy. The funds that we own buy those bonds. And the reason we do that is so that when our clients' portfolios suffer because the stocks are going down, the bond funds will be going up. And so the overall portfolio value is not as adversely affected as if we just had normal bonds or long-term bonds or junk bonds. Yeah, so we take the very focused approach that we're going to buy short and intermediate bond funds, and they're going to be globally diversified. And with that global diversification comes a hedge against currency changes. So we don't want our bond funds to go up and down based on how the euro and the dollar and the yen are doing. So the funds pay a very small amount of money and hedge the currencies so that the returns we get are the returns that you would get from the bonds themselves, not from the changes in currencies. So just to recap, we really prefer buying bond funds for our clients, not individual bonds. And the funds we buy are short and intermediate term. They are globally diversified when we can do it, and they are of the highest quality. We don't buy junk bonds, or we don't do the extended credit bonds. We just buy the ones that are the highest. That's it. Thanks.